Hi everyone. If you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to change theme on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change theme in the Qwen app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the settings option at the top right corner, just right here. Then here you can see something like this. Now here is the thing, there is no any change theme or change display option, so you need to change the theme according to your mobile phone. Now go to the settings option of your mobile phone and tap on it, and here you can find the option of display and brightness. Now tap on it. Now to change the theme of the Qwen app, simply tap on to the light or dark, just like this. And only after doing this you can change theme in the Qwen app. And that's it. This is how you can change theme in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.